Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can run your GitHub Copilot in your VS Code. Okay, I have signed up from here. Okay, I already have signed up, but I have not still got the confirmation letter from AutoML and GitHub that I can use in the programming. But even I can install this, but that will be disabled. Okay, after getting my confirmation email, I can activate that. So I will show you how to keep yourself ready, okay, to use your GitHub Copilot. So on my last video, I discussed about what is the Copilot, what you can do with it. So if you have not seen my last video, so I will provide the link below, okay, in the description, and you can watch that video. So first of all, you have to sign up from here. You will click here, okay, and it will ask you some information as usual. Sorry, my net is slow, so it is getting some time. So it is showing that you have already wait list. Okay, I'm already registered. Okay, so I'm in the wait list. Okay, when I will get my confirmation, then I can enable my account. So I will show you. Okay, so you also can sign up and get your GitHub Copilot ready in VS Code. So for to do that, you just go to VS Code. Okay, we will start our VS Code. So I will type here VS Code. Okay, now my VS Code is started. Okay, so maybe your VS Code is not the latest version. Okay, because the earlier version is this one Copilot is not supporting to the old version. So just update from here. Okay, go to help, check for update. Okay, click here. Okay, it will ask you, it will show you if you, because I have already updated. Okay, so there are currently no updates available because just I have updated. So you can update from here. Okay, now when I will update, my screen will look like that, a bit change. Now go here for to activate GitHub Copilot. Okay, extension, because Copilot is what? Extension to the GitHub. Click here. Okay, so this is the list of installed extension. Okay, Anaconda extension, Jupyter, all these are installed, and these are some recommended. Okay, so SQL tools, okay, atom key map, all these are suggested or recommended, but I want to install GitHub Copilot, so I will search from here GitHub, okay, and Copilot. See, then I can see here, this is my GitHub Copilot. It is asking me to install. Okay, so I will install this one. See here, this is okay. Actually, I already installed. I uninstalled, but it is not uninstalling. So don't worry, it is already installed. Okay, but this is disabled. Okay, so when I will get my email confirmation, then can I can enable that. See here, I have got one more message. Let me check it. Let me close again and open it again. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Okay, sorry, not GitHub Copilot, VS Code. Okay, because this is VS Code extension. Okay, extension. See, so signing to access the GitHub Copilot technical preview. So I have to sign in my GitHub. Okay, so just sign in, no problem. The extension GitHub Copilot wants to sign into the GitHub. Okay, allow it. I would like to allow, and I will just sign in. Continue. Okay, I will continue. See, what is authorized GitHub for VS Code? Personalize your data, personal user data. What is given here? Oh, it's okay. Just is okay. Then authorized. Okay, just directly authorized GitHub. To the authorizing application. So you are being redirected to the authorizing application. See, I will open. Okay. So I am authorized. See here, authorization was successful. You will be redirected back to the visual code. Okay, that's why it was asking visual code authentical. Okay, your authentical token. So I will just copy it. Okay, copy the token, switch back to the VS code. Okay, then click signing into the github.com. In the status bar, paste the token and hit enter. Okay, so we will follow all these steps. I will take the screenshot for that. Okay, so let me take the screenshot. Okay, so what, first of all I will copy this code in the notepad. Okay, I will save it for my future use. This is my authentication code. Okay, and please keep this safe with you. And I will copy these steps also, so I cannot forget, because I have not done earlier. Okay, just I am doing it live, and I'm sure it will not work. Okay, because I have not got the confirmation letter, but I will install and keep everything ready. I will save it in my desktop. So save, so I will not lose any information. Desktop. Okay, I will write it GitHub Copilot. Okay, copy token. I have already copied. Let me copy again. Copy token. Switch back to the VS code. I will go to the VS code. Okay, then it is written you don't have the access to GitHub Copilot. Join the waitlist by waiting. Okay, visiting HTTPS this one. So I have already. Okay, so I'm already in the waitlist. So whenever it will give me the access, so I will use all these information. Okay, I will use all this information to activate my account. So you can see here in the status bar. Okay, it is no notification. Okay, I had one notification that I am in the wait list. Okay, so I saw that, so it is gone. Okay, this is for feedback, and this is for, it will give you the status that my GitHub Copilot is activated, so I can deactivate from here. So I will just wait for my confirmation. Okay, for GitHub Copilot, then I can run my GitHub Copilot. So you also can make it ready. Okay, so as soon as you will get your confirmation email, so you can start using this. And in this status bar, somewhere you will get that sign in GitHub. Okay, it will appear here. It is not, for now it is not here, means it I have not been authorized to use that. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.